Write down given and to find. Practice set 3.4. Sum number 1. So there's a circle with center O. Yes. Given what you have written? Given you'll write of your own. What is given? O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Radius. Now radius is equals to AB, na? Radius is equals to chord AB. So radius is what? OA. Radius OA will be equals to radius OB. Again, this is equals to chord AB. This is given to you. Then you need to find the measures to find measure of angle AOB. Second, angle ACB. Third, arc AB. And then fourth, arc ACB. See, practice at 3.4, sum number 1. This is a given figure wherein you have been given that O is the center of the circle, AB is the chord of the circle. Question may you have been given that the radius of the circle is equal to the chord. That means radius OA is equals to radius OB is equals to chord AB. Right?
Yes.
This is given to you. And based on this information, you need to find measure of angle AOB. Where is angle AOB? AOB. बताओ angle AOB कितना रहेगा? काय को 60 डिग्री? Angle of an equilateral. कौन है equilateral triangle इधर? AOB. AOB काय को equilateral triangle? OA, OB and AB are ready? So this is the first answer. तो अब मैं solution लिखेगा. Solution how I'll write? I'll be writing यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, ठीक है? अब solution I'll be writing OA is equals to OB is equals to AB. Reason I'll write given, right?
Yes.
And then if all the three sides are equal, that means triangle AOB is an triangle AOB एक equilateral triangle है. और तुमको पता है इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का हर एक एंगल कितना डिग्री होता है? 60. लिखेगा therefore angle AOB is equals to 60 degree angle of an equilateral triangle. इसको उस बॉक्स के अंदर समझा? नेक्स्ट कौन सा मेजर ढूंढना है? RAB एंगल ACB. अब ACB कहाँ पे? एंगल ACB. देखो एंगल ACB यहाँ पे, ठीक है? देखो एंगल ACB ढूंढने के लिए अगर तुम एंगल ACB को देखोगे, एंगल ACB इज एन इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल. अगर ये इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल है तो इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल और इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क का रिलेशन दिया है इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम में. इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम सेज द इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल इज हाफ द मेजर ऑफ इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. अब मुझे बताओ ACB का इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क कौन है? AB इज द इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. तो इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल का मेजर इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क का क्या रहेगा? हाफ. लेकिन इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क का मेजर है क्या अपने पास? नहीं है. तो पहला क्या करो? AB का मेजर ढूंढो. If you look at AB subtends an angle AOB at the center which we got at 60 degree. और आर्क का मेशर कभी भी इक्वल होता है सेंटरल एंगल के साथ, समझ रहे? So I'll write the measure of arc is equal to the angle subtended at the center. Angle subtended at the center of circle. Therefore, measure arc AB will be equals to angle AOB. लेकिन but angle AOB is equal to 60. अगर angle AOB 60 है तो measure arc measure arc AB will be equals to 60. Second ये हमको मिला. अब arc AB अगर 60 है तो AB का इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल ACB कितना हो जाएगा? हाफ हो जाएगा. तो अभी नेक्स्ट हमको लिखना है एंगल ACB is inscribed angle. This is inscribed angle. ACB is inscribed angle. Arc AB is intercepted arc. Am I right? Yes. तो देखो इधर ये ACB inscribed angle है, AB intercepted arc है. Therefore, by which theorem? By inscribed angle theorem. What inscribed angle theorem says? Inscribed angle theorem says that the measure of the inscribed angle is half the measure of. So angle ACB will be equal to half measure arc AB. But arc AB का measure कितना है? 60 डिग्री. तो इसको दे सकते हैं हम लोग नंबर 2. ठीक है, इसको देते नंबर 1, इधर लिखते from 1, इसको लिखते 2, और यहाँ पे when we substituted the angle as 60 degree we'll write from 2. Getting? Therefore angle ACB will be equals to 30 degree. We got the third one. ACB मिल गया और AB भी मिल गया, बराबर. नेक्स्ट है आर्क ACB. वेयर इज आर्क ACB? ACB मतलब ये देखो ACB. AB हमारे पास है, ACB ढूंढना है. ढूंढ सकते हैं कैसा? ये माइनर आर्क है AB, ACB मेजर आर्क. माइनर आर्क और मेजर आर्क का एडिशन कितना रहेगा? 60. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट ऐसा लिख सकते हैं मेजर ऑफ माइनर आर्क प्लस, नहीं तो यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली, है ना? measure arc AB plus measure arc ACB is equals to 360 degree. रीजन क्या आएगा? आर्क एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी क्या आएगा? रीजन क्या आएगा बताओ? इसके पहले भी तुमने किया है, जल्दी टर्न करो बुक और मुझे बताओ क्या है रीजन. एक हफ्ता लेक्चर नहीं हुआ तो यू ऑल फॉरगॉट एवरीथिंग. हाँ, फाइंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सम ऑफ मेजर ऑफ आर्क. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सम ऑफ मेजर ऑफ आर्क की मेजर ऑफ अ सर्कल. Measure of arc of a circle. Therefore, AB is how much? 60. So 60 plus measure arc ACB will be equals to 360 degrees. Yes. तो ये 60 इधर से उधर जाएगा. तो measure arc ACB will be equal to 360 minus 60 degree. So measure arc ACB क्या हो जाएगा? 300 degree. समझा? ठीक है, come on do this sum. So now we'll be learning something called a cyclic quadrilateral. Now what is a cyclic quadrilateral? A quadrilateral whose endpoints, whose vertices lies on the circle is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. What is a cyclic quadrilateral? A quadrilateral whose vertices quadrilateral whose lies on the circle is called as a cyclic quadrilateral. If you consider quadrilateral ABCD, ABCD is said to be a cyclic quadrilateral because its endpoints they lie on the circle. There are certain properties of the cyclic quadrilateral. First one, always remember that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Now tell me which angle is opposite to angle A? Angle A का opposite angle angle C है तो angle A plus angle C will be equals to which is the angle opposite to angle B? So angle B plus angle D will be equals to so always remember अगर कोई quadrilateral cyclic है मतलब उसका opposite angles क्या रहेगा? Supplementary. इसका converse एक theorem है. If the opposite angles are supplementary, then the quadrilateral is ठीक है? Second, the second one what you need to remember is this theorem. Exterior angle theorem of exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. ठीक है? Now this is an angle which is exterior of the cyclic quadrilateral. Which angle? Angle DCE. Okay? So the theorem states that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, that is angle DCE, will be equal to the angle opposite to the adjacent interior angle. अब DCE का adjacent interior angle कौन है? DCB. ये समझ रहे हैं? This is the adjacent interior angle, बराबर? This angle. Okay? So DCE का adjacent interior angle ये है. इसका opposite angle कौन है? So the theorem says that the measure of the exterior angle is equal to the angle opposite to the adjacent interior angle. That means you can show that angle DCE will be equal to angle BAD. समझ रहा है? This is what exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. So the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the angle opposite to the adjacent interior angle. बोलो क्या? The exterior is equal to the angle opposite to adjacent interior angle. Okay? So you can call it as okay. तुम लोग इसको statement लिखने का ठीक है? It's an corollary. So you'll write the statement when you do the sums. ठीक है? So write this down, draw this figure and write this. So two things. Remember that if all the vertices lie on the circle, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. But देखने से नहीं होता है, तुमको prove करना पड़ेगा. कैसा prove करेंगे? Opposite angles को supplementary prove करना पड़ेगा. If the opposite angles are supplementary, that means the quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Getting? And the other thing is exterior angle. The exterior angle is equal to the angle opposite to the adjacent interior angle. मतलब एक्सटीरियर एंगल का बाजू वाला इंटीरियर कौन है? ये. इसका ऑपोजिट एंगल के साथ एक्सटीरियर एंगल इक्वल रहेगा. ये दो प्रॉपर्टी लिखो. अभी जो भी सम्स करेंगे विल बी डूइंग इट ऑन दीज प्रॉपर्टीज. राइट डाउन द गिवन एंड टू फाइंड पार्ट. Today I told I'll ask you which chapter? 7. Chapter number 7. Whatever I thought that, na? Yes. You wrote that hypermetropia, myopia and all? I've asked you to write, na? Short notes notebook में लिखने बोला था. लगता है जब तक फटके नहीं पड़ेंगे तब तक नहीं करोगे. Write down given. Given क्या लिखा? Quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Then you wrote side PQ is congruent to side RQ. Then angle PSR is equals to 110 degrees. What do you need to find? You need to find first measure of angle PQR. Second, you need to find measure of arc PQR. Third, you need to find measure of arc QR. Then you need to find measure of angle PRQ. Look here, everyone. The figure is visible to you. Okay. Now, where is quadrilateral PQRS? They have already given you that it is an cyclic quadrilateral. They have already given you that it is an cyclic quadrilateral. Then they have given that side PQ is congruent to RQ. Where is PQ? Where is RQ? So you'll have to mention that they are congruent. Angle PSR is 110. Where is angle PSR? PSR. So you mention in the figure that PSR is 110. If angle PSR is 110, then what will be the measure of its opposite angle, angle PQR? 70. Why? How? Kaisa? तो एक 110 है तो दूसरा तुम्हारे दिमाग में जा रहा है? तुम्हारे दिमाग में जा रहा है? तुम्हारा दिमाग ठिकाने पे है? Tell yes, no. What you're dreaming? The one who stands here and teaches, na, he knows. Are you attentive? ठीक है? So अभी यहाँ पे क्या करना है हमको? We'll go for the solution. Okay? So first I'll write quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. If it is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore by cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Okay? By cyclic quadrilateral theorem, what do you have? Opposite angle supplementary. PSR plus PQR equals to 180 degree. What angle PSR is equals to? 110 degree. This is given to you. तो तुम क्या करोगे? PSR के जगह पे plus angle is equals to 180. So angle PQR is equals to 180. Angle PQR is equals to 70. You got this? तो PQR मिल गया. अभी क्या करना है? First one you got. Now you need to find measure arc PQR. You need to find the measure of arc PQR. है ना? Now you got angle PQR, but you need to find this arc PQR. If you look at this arc PQR, it is an intercepted arc for inscribed angle PSR. For inscribed angle PSR, this angle PQR is intercepted arc. So I'll write angle PSR is inscribed angle and arc PQR is intercepted arc. Therefore, by which theorem? तू मार खाने वाली है मेरे हाथ से. तेरा ध्यान ही नहीं है लेक्चर में. तेरा दिमाग ठिकाने पे है क्या? हाँ? By inscribed angle theorem, angle PSR will be equals to half measure. Why I wrote this? Because the theorem says that the inscribed angle is half the measure of intercept. So angle PSR कितना है? PSR is 110. Therefore 110 will be equals to half measure of PQR. अब ये 2 इधर से उधर जाएगा, 110 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो क्या आएगा? 220 is equals to measure of PQR. That is measure of PQR is equals to 220. समझ में आया children? अभी you need to find measure of QR and then you need to find measure of PRQ. पहला इतना लिख लो. Now next what you need to find? you need to find the value of P. You need to find the measure of QR. Now, if you look at the figure properly, you know that PQ is equals to QR. अब अपने पास ये आर्क का मेजर है, ये PQ आर्क का मेजर है, कितना है 220 डिग्रीज. ये PQR is 220. ये PQ और QR जो है, this PQR is made up of arc PQ and QR, which is equal. Now you can ask me, sir, why it is equal? Because this chord PQ, you're not attentive, huh? This chord PQ and this chord QR is congruent. Chords which are congruent, their corresponding arcs will also be congruent. Right? Chord PQ congruent to chord QR given. Then I'll write as corresponding arcs of congruent chords. Congruent chords are congruent. You have arc PQ is equal to arc QR. अब हम इसको ले लेते हैं x. Let arc PQ equals to arc QR equals to x. Now you know that arc PQR is made up of two arcs, right? One is arc PQ plus QR. What is the reason that I'll give? Huh? What is the reason? Arc addition property. Arc addition property. Now, measure arc PQR is 220 degrees. Measure arc PQ is x degrees. QR is x degrees. So 220 will be equals to 2x. Now, x will be equals to 220. 2 x is equals to 110 degrees. X means arc PQ and arc QR is equal to 110 degrees. Getting? Yes. So what do you need to find next? Measure RA P angle PRQ. Where is angle PRQ? Now if you look at angle PRQ is inscribed angle. उसका intercepted arc कौन है? Well, right, angle PRQ is inscribed angle. Arc PQ is intercepted arc. Therefore, by which theorem? By inscribed angle theorem, angle PRQ is half measure arc PQ. So angle PRQ will be equals to half of 100. इसको नंबर दो. इसके पहले क्या नंबर दिया था? 1 2 इधर भी नहीं है. 1 2 दिया है ना. हाँ, इसको 3 ले लो. And then write from नहीं दिया. इधर हमने हाँ सर ने नहीं दिया. हाँ कुछ नहीं दिया, सर ने नहीं. ठीक है. देखो वैल्यूज दे दो और तुम जो भी दे रहे हो उधर लिख लेना. So angle PRQ will be equals to 55. समझा? दिमाग में गया? समझा? चलो करो. Sum number 4. Children, look here. Now, See what you have been given. You have been given that O is the center of the circle. Point T lies on the exterior of the circle. You need to prove that RTS is acute angle. What do you need to prove? You need to prove that is angle RTS is acute. अब भाई इसको एक्यूट कैसा प्रूव करेंगे? देखो इधर कैसा प्रूव करेंगे. सब लोग अच्छे से ध्यान देने का. बहुत इजी है. स्कूल में सीखा है? नहीं सीखा? हाँ, किसको आता है ऐसा? सिर्फ लिनीटा को आता है. सोचो, मतलब सिर्फ लिनीटा पढ़ रही है. ये समझो से we take this as point M and I join this. I take a construction. ठीक है? Now see, look at the proof. Very easy. Tell me what will be the measure of angle RMS? RMS. किसी को नहीं आता है, कुछ काम के नहीं है तुम लोग. RMS will be 90 degree. Angle inscribed in a semicircle. Angle in what? Angle inscribed in a semicircle. So angle RMS क्या है? 90 degree. समझा? But angle RMS is exterior angle. It is an exterior angle of triangle SMT. Triangle SMT किधर है? ये SMT है ना? इसका ये exterior angle है, ये 90 degree है, बराबर? And you know that the exterior angle is always greater than the remote interior angle. The exterior angle is always greater than the remote interior angle. Why exterior angle is greater than the remote interior angle? You all know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of remote interior. For example, I take A is equals to B plus C. That means A will be obviously greater than B and A will be greater than C as well. In the same way, if the exterior angle is equal to the sum of remote interior angle, that means the exterior angle is always greater than the alright, RMS is the exterior angle of triangle SMT. Angle T is its remote interior angle. ठीक है? एंगल T उसका कौन सा एंगल है? रिमोट इंटीरियर. 9th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा था रिमोट इंटीरियर एंगल. ठीक है? जैसे कि ये ट्राइंगल है, ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, तो ये एडजेसेंट को छोड़ के बाकी जो दो एंगल्स होते हैं वो होते हैं रिमोट इंटीरियर. ऐसा कुछ याद आ रहा है? ठीक है? So RMS is 90 degrees. Angle T is what? चालू है क्या? आवाज नहीं है इतना देर. ठीक है. So देखो यहाँ पे this was a given figure. You took an construction. You joined MS. Getting? After joining MS, here you have to prove that this angle T, that is angle A, RTS is an acute angle. This angle is 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because it is an angle inscribed in a semicircle. So I wrote RMS 90 degree angle inscribed in a semicircle. But angle RMS is an exterior angle of triangle SMT. And you know in 9th standard we learned exterior angle is always equal to the sum of remote interior. तो अगर समझो एक एंगल, समझो ये 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है, एंगल 1 अगर 2 और 3 के एडिशन से इक्वल रहेगा तो एंगल 1 ऑब्वियसली 2 से बड़ा रहेगा, है ना? तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल रिमोट इंटीरियर के एडिशन से इक्वल होता है, तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल कभी भी रिमोट इंटीरियर से क्या रहेगा? बड़ा. Well, right, angle RMS is exterior angle, angle T is remote interior angle. As exterior angle is greater than remote interior angle, exterior angle कौन है यहाँ पे? RMS will be greater than angle T. Getting? समझ रहा है? But angle RMS is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle T will be less than 90 degree. And if angle T is less than 90, that means angle T is acute angle. Acute angle. Angle T means which angle? Angle T means angle RTS is acute angle. You understood this? Yes. Come on, write it down.